out your moral book first. Turn to page number 70. You already turned to page number 17 or not? Okay, you write today date first, Monday. Monday, Monday. Can you write faster or not? Monday, Monday, Monday. Today day 5-7-2021. Okay. Monday, Monday. Okay, you see the question first, huh? Trong Chin An. Okay, you see the title first. Unit 4 at the seaside. I keep the beach clean. Okay, I keep the beach clean. Can see or not this one? Okay, you see the picture first. Okay, when you go to the beach, you cannot put the rubbish, you cannot put the plastic, you cannot put the cup, you cannot put this one all in outside the sea. Okay, if you put, there will be dirty. Okay, later will be the beach will be dirty one. So when you go to the beach, all the rubbish, all the drinking one, all you must put inside the dustbin. Can understand? Understand or not? Okay, when you go to the beach, all the rubbish you have to tie like this, then you put inside the dustbin. Okay, you put inside the dustbin, you close and you go through. Okay, you cannot put at the beach. If you put at the beach will be dirty one. Okay, you cannot come there, it will be smelly one, then you cannot play, you cannot spend the time with your family. So the place will be ancang one, okay, really ugly one. So if you want go to beach, the really ugly one, you want go play or not? One or the one? Cannot go, because if you go to the dirty place, if got the rubbish on, you cannot go there, because later you will get sick, you will get virus, like that. So when you go to the beach, the beach must be clean. We must keep the beach clean. Okay? Can understand or not? Okay? This one is your daddy, right? This one is Chong Chin An daddy. This one is Chong Chin An mommy. This one is Chong Chin An. This one is Chong Chin An brother. So you all go to the beach. Okay, you all go together. After that, you go to the beach. You solve rubbish. You solve cup. You solve plastic. You solve something like this. You solve. Then you can just put or not. You cannot. You must take the dustbin. You put inside the plastic. Okay. Then you have to tied like this, you have to put inside the dustbin. Can understand? Can understand or not? Ancang place ibu keci because if you go the beach is very ancang, ugly. You cannot go swim. You cannot go there play. Okay? Can understand? Can understand or not, Chong Jin An? Okay. You see this one. Okay, this one sing song. Okay, sing song I want you sing with me This one is Chinese one. No, you don't see the Chinese one. You see the English one. Okay. This one is you use the tune. You sleeping. Okay. This one I sing first. You listen Keep the beach clean. Keep the beach clean all the time. All the time. We should keep the beach clean. We should keep the beach clean all the time. All the time. Can you listen? Can you sing with me or not? You sing. Keep the beach clean. You sing the English one first because teacher don't know the Chinese one. You sing the English one first. This one is this one you sing like this. Keep the beach clean. Keep the beach clean all the time. All the time. We should keep the beach clean. We should keep the beach clean all the time. All the time. Can you sing or not? You slowly you can, okay? Keep the beach clean. Keep the beach clean all the time. All the time. We should keep the beach clean. We should keep the beach clean all the time. All the time. Like that. You just try. You try a little bit, okay? You sing, I teach, okay? This one they say we must keep the beach clean. If you not keep your beach clean, the beach will be dirty. The song is referred, we must keep the beach clean. Can or not? Beach clean. Keep the beach clean all the time. All the time. We should keep the beach clean. We should keep the beach clean. Okay, this one This one I want spell for you Chong Jin An. This one you just later you got time right later so you can sing. This one in Chinese also got. Later you can sing. Okay, you can see in the YouTube. Okay, you see how to sing this song. Can? This one is keep the beach clean. Keep the beach clean means you keep the beach clean. Okay, you keep the beach must be clean. Cannot be ugly, cannot be dirty one. Keep the beach clean. Keep the beach clean all the time. All the time. We should keep the beach clean all the time. All the time.
The beach clean. Keep the beach clean. Keep the beach clean all the time. All the time. We shall keep the beach clean. Keep
beach clean. Yes. All the time.
All the time.
Okay, very, very good. Okay.
学读学唱，学读不老人家唱。
Okay, this one I keep the beach clean. You already write today date or not? Monday.
Monday, yes.
Okay, this one they say we must keep the beach clean. Okay, can understand? Can understand?
明白吧？他这个是讲说保持海边的清洁。现在老师教一遍。
Okay, I want you to take out your moral activity book. Okay, you see the book first, page number 17. You listen to me, okay? You listen here. You listen to me. Okay, you write today day first, Monday. Monday, Monday. Write today day 5-7-2021. Okay, already right. Okay, you see this one. I keep the beach clean. I keep the beach clean. Beach clean. Okay, you see the question first and you must understand the picture. Then only you go to the second question. Okay, you see the first picture. Okay, what is the boy doing? You tell to me, what is the boy doing in the first picture? Okay, this boy name is okay, this boy he drink the drinks, he draw at the sea. This one good or not? This one good or wrong? Wrong. Okay, they asking what will happen next. Put a tick. Okay, if we throw the bottle, we throw this one to the sea, what will be happen? Number one picture, you see the number one picture, what you see there? Number one picture, what you see there? Is this dirty or clean? This boy is throw the cup. Okay, drink. Can you listen or not? No, listen up. You see the picture first, okay? The boy is throw the drinks water bottle. So what will happen to the sea? What will happen next? Number 1 or number 2? Which one? He throw the cup, so it will be dirty. The water all will be split over the sea. So which one is the correct answer? Which one is the correct answer? Which one is the correct answer? Number 1 or number 2? Wrong. No, number 1. Not number 1. Number 2.
海绵会变成什么样子呢？打勾，哪一个？然后表示看。打勾啊，因为它丢垃圾嘛，是不是？它是丢垃圾，它是蓝表，它是说查蓝表，这样它是错了。
You see what will happen. Okay, this boy correct. Okay, you see the number 2 picture. Which child A keeps the beach clean? Color the star. Okay, which one is the correct answer? Before that, you see the picture first. This boy put the paper on the refresh. This girl throw the tissue on the sea over there. Okay, you see the number 2 picture. Okay, the number 2 picture, the girl take all the rubbish she put inside the plastic. She put the rubbish inside the plastic. She tie and she throw. Okay, so you have to color the star. Teacher explaining, you listen. Not you talking alone. You can understand or not what teacher taught Chong Jin An? Keep the beach clean. Which child? Child A or which child is keep the beach clean? You see the picture. Teacher already give you explain. Number 1 boy is doing the correct one, or number 2 picture the girl is doing the correct one. You have to color the star. Which one is the correct answer? Which child A keep the beach clean? Color the star. Number 1 picture, the girl throw the tissue. Take the tissue, she throw on the sea over there. And the number 2 picture, the girl is take the rubbish all, she throw inside the dustbin. Okay, this one you already write today date. I want you write the date. Please underline properly. This one. Put the line. Okay, what topic today you learn? I keep the beach clean. I keep the beach clean. I want you circle this title. I keep the beach clean. Later you revision. Revision, I keep the beach clean. Tomorrow I will ask you question. Circle the title. I keep the beach clean. You circle. This one also same, the reader book. Circle the title. I keep the beach clean.
这个 I keep the beach clean。真的。画圆圈 I keep the beach clean。
Are you done, Chong Chi An? Circle one. Circle ready or not? Okay. Teacher tell beach. You must keep your beach. Keep what? Keep your beach clean. Cannot throw the rubbish. You must keep your beach clean. All the rubbish you must put inside this one what? Dustbin. You must put inside your dustbin. Then you have to put it properly. Can understand or not, Chong Chin An? This one, keep the beach clean means we have to keep the beach clean. Okay, we cannot keep the beach ugly one. If you keep the beach ugly, nobody come to the beach. Okay, nobody like to come to the beach. Can understand? This one you sing, keep the beach clean. This one you use this song. Keep the beach clean, keep the beach clean all the time the song. Can you understand or not? Okay, today teacher teach you what topic? Today teacher teach you what topic? I keep the beach clean. Today you learn I keep the beach clean.
If you don't understand, you can mix a bit Chinese.
You cannot understand? Circle you must keep a bit made. Okay? This one you go to beach, right? Beach, okay? This one is your mommy, daddy, papa, mama, cece, koko. You all go beach. Play. Then you see rubbish. Then ancang place can play or not? To play. Ancang one. You cannot play because got rubbish. You cannot. Yes. If got ancang, you cannot play. This one you done right? Page 17. Then this one you tick, this one you color. This one you tick, this one you color the star. Correct? Done? 这个你 color the star， 这个你 tick 后面的，可以吗？这个你 color the star， 这个你 tick 后面的。OK。